absolute fleet of beater bombers outside the house. Belly running the old original Michelin medium, but almost brand new. Teddy, not riding with us today, but he's fitted the Michelin medium 2, brand new, with a really soft mousse, ready for ball breaking tomorrow. And as we said, we've got the Michelin medium 2 reverse, like we said we would, and it's still got a lovely sharp edge on this side. And there is, if you look closely, some like cup things that way. Worn really well. Go get yourself a Michelin medium 2 from endurotyres.com. Yes, lads! Mr. Pighead himself, he's out with us today on the Sherco. Look at him go, what an absolute beast. Oh, still got the moves, hasn't he? Wants squaring up, doesn't it? That's, oh, Marky! That was beautiful. Boz has got it. Oh, Borry! He leant on a tree and it just collapsed with his weight. He's going to lift his beater at 72. 70, is he 72 or 73? Maybe 73. I don't think 72 and 73 make much difference once you're that age. 73 years old. It is impressive.
Belly should be going to Hampton.
Whoa! Absolute tank slapper! God, you feel alive when you get one of them buggers. Always respect your horses. How many horses this bad boy's got? I don't even know the answer. That's bad of me, innit? Answer in the comments below, how many horses has a Beta 300RR Racing replica, whatever it's called, got? Can we turn that in time for that tree? No. Steering lock on the Beta, obviously not quite as good as the KTM there. Work it, oh work it, work it, work it, work it. Ooh. The medium 2 gripping on them rocks, which isn't what I was expecting from it, but seems to be working well on there. I think I dented my pipe years. Yes, that's nice. I like that riding. Oh, this is trialsy. Oh, the medium 2, did you see it grip? Even though it's been reversed. It actually got some good grip there. Woo! Oh yes, Billy!
You only get a bucket and a half, don't you?
Is he an age where it stops?
I think I'm running out, running low.
Not really. Oh! Oh my god. Oh! He took half of it with you! Now this has been chowed up, hasn't it? sure. Oh, yes. Yes, bozza. Some first gear trials. Mossy. Oh, Bozza's sent one. Go on, Bozza.
Had a roll, kid. Yes. Oop. Oh. Hey. Oh yes.
Bozza crashes on the most random, easy stuff. Oh, it nearly got up at bars. Oh, that is. Oh, God. Oh, yes. Feeling for traction. Right. There's no denying that the Michelin Medium 2 does work backwards. That absolutely gripped. Lovely. I don't know, we're getting dirty though.
Wanker. Donkey. Big flabbers.
Absolutely sent it. That's how you do it, boss. Come through there. It's absolutely, look at the depths on this. I mean, it's not proper riding, but there's something to be said about it. It is actually fun. Oh! It's too powerful for him. I've had cleaner days, I'll be honest. Oh my day. It's not ideal.
Yeah, use that KTM for traction.
Oh, he actually did. Probably buckled his own front wheel. We have made a mess. Look at the old girl. Oh, she's caked. What's up, boss? You're checking it.
Oh, I've lost my plastic.
Oh, good acting.
That's not getting used. Oh, some deep holes in there. What's this white sewagey shit? An absolute trials guy. Tell you what though, that's deep. That tyre's doing alright in there. I might carry on a bit. Oh God, could do with brushing up on my trial skills. That was deep. Yeah, how am I going to get across here now? Yeah, I'll jump it there. Let's go. No flow whatsoever. And this used to be a, let's call it a super flow. Yeah, it's done. It's done with, isn't it? This is a bit better, this section. This is what it used to all be like. All flowy like that. Single track. Now it's wrecked. Sherco power. Oh, now in it. Now in it. What absolute disappointment on everyone's faces there. There's nothing in it. We avoided it like the bloody plague.
3 foot deep.
Look at him go. It's a machine. Oh, man's made an error. Boz is loving it because I've gone the wrong way. Odgis is on pipe. Go on, lads. Go on, lads. Yes. Oh, seats come off. D-bell on a descent. That's it, belly, get on with it. Tripod mode activated. It's got stood up. Go on. Billy has a brake on the handlebar as well as a clutch. Back brake, sorry. Not. Yeah, everyone's got a brake and a clutch on the handlebar, haven't they? He's done that bloody lovely, hasn't he? Oh my god. I'm in a bad spot here. Which one we're going up?
I'm going that way. I'm that way.
I'm off with you on right, it'd be good. Oh, lovely. Dreams. That was dreams. That's it, lad. Go on, son. Oh, that's not the way. Look at it. Tractoring. Bother. Clean, nearly clean. One dab. Different. Whoa. Oh, where are you going? I've got you. Different techers by all the lads there. I was going to say before I got interrupted by my own mischievousness. Oh, it's mega! Oh, is it tree? Massive fail. That's a 5. Oh, keep them up! Keep them up! The tree just jumps out on you. Drop off there.
You have to blip it off.
Blippage. Oh, Balzer with the techers. Oh, McGee too. Oh my god, I got whiskey on! Yeah, we've lost the old boy. Where's our resident old-timer gone? I'm a bit worried about him. I love the taste of them branches. Just a quick brief on the Enduro Medium 2. Flip reversed it and it is working spectacularly well today in these conditions. Oh! What are you doing down there, Bozza? Could have been worse, you could have fell off in water. Wow, that looks horrible. Oh, it's deep. Oh, and what you don't know is that absolutely stinks, man. Like proper stinks. That's not nice. That's not nice riding. And the B8's come undone just to make it even worse. Oh. Oh god, it's not nice riding. I'm doing it for your enjoyment. I do not enjoy riding through that shit. But I think we're about done now, so like and subscribe to the videos and tell your auntie and your uncle, your niece and your nephew and your cousin's girlfriend's dog, because they'll probably want to watch and subscribe as well. Try and do something dangerous every day that scared you. Keep that heart rate flowing like our OAP, Mr. Belly, who's been on this ride today at 73 years old. He's somewhat of a legend. And we'll see you on the next one. Bosh! It's just downed a pint of Guinness after a ride. What a legend.
That was nice.
Oh, Cookie's done half in and go as well.
In a mouthful. Lovely.
Simply lovely. Creamy fucking
Oh,
points.
yeah, look at that.
Wow, fucking
Good
hell. Oh, it's going, it's all gone.
Grow.
2 swings.
Lovely.
Creamy fucking points.
Oh.
He's gonna do. What are you doing? Just calm down.